guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Kram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, alright? Also guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. If you're looking for someone who's going to send you signals as to when to buy and sell, they're in the wrong place. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you everything about these markets and teach you proper TA, then you're in the right place, guys. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5 or 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. With that being said, I'm going to start sharing my screen with you guys. Can you all see my screen? Can anyone please tell me? Yep. Okay, perfect. I've charted gold, GU, US 30 and DAX for you guys. I did not do NASDAQ today. I did not do EU today. Instead, I did gold and US 30. Okay. Wait, they're saying also we think there is a bot in here for your information. There is.
Doc.
Okay, guys.
There are only 11 people today.
How come we have only 11 people today? Only 11 people? Okay, so whoever has come, it's okay, and whoever's bought whatever that was, I've gotten it removed. Okay, reminder didn't go off.
Okay, I'll put it on.
Okay, that's really weird. This shouldn't be happening, and I don't know why for London it's been happening almost every second or third day that the reminder doesn't go off. It's weird. Also guys, if you look at US 30, it had attempts where it was trying to go for buys with good momentum, but we did not get that. So be careful. This tells me there's chop in the market because this one went like an impulse, came down, became a red candle completely, got rejected badly. Whole of this area is supply sitting over here. According to me, this should be a good break of structure from the supply zone, but they just don't have enough momentum. So this looks a little choppy to me. So if anyone is trading US 30, be extremely careful. And yeah, for buys for German 30, you can start from 5-minute resistance. Actually, it could have started from 5-minute support, but then wait, give me a second. Stop here. 5-minute support. This is a very strong level of demand sitting over here. That's why they're catching buyers from here. So if we were on before, if we had started the call before, we would have maybe started getting into the buyers, smaller buyers from here itself. Okay. For gold, okay, I didn't see gold. It hit TP. I thought we would sell into demand. That already happened. Now this is just an impulse candle at this point, so it's okay. Let's wait for another candle to close within our box, retest, recheck, and then go down further. If that doesn't happen, then maybe we'll look for sells below the demand zone. Okay, for gold. GU is trying as well. GU is trying to get into our demand zone, trying to break it, but nothing has happened as of now. This is just an impulse trying to enter our demand zone. Let's see, guys. Okay. Okay. GU trying. GU trying. One over here, one over here. Okay. For buys, now you can start from your 5-minute resistance if you want. But you all need to realize that this is also chop. So smaller position maybe into the supply, and then the break of supply would be bigger positions, bigger lots. Friday, so I would recommend you all stay away from putting bigger lots in these markets and try to preserve your capital. Okay, I'm just quickly gonna go to the chat. Okay, thank you so much to Gaines. Good morning. Just wanted to let you know the reminder on Discord and not ping, so many need to announce that. We may need to announce that in our chat. Looking forward to another session. It's great. Good morning to Gaines. Good morning, Zero. Aman, please don't be adding bots and everything over here. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Lucky, yeah, reminder to not go off. Friday is shop day, yes. Friday is shop day, and we have red folders opening up again. Before New York market open, we're going an hour earlier. We're not going for market open, we're going for red folders. So yeah, Friday, and on top of that, we have red folders opening up. But it's okay. We're just here to learn. Even if we don't get clear moves, we don't have to trade. Again, we'll get a lot of... Okay, gold was a good move. I did not see it. If it goes out, because it could go down to here also. You see these wicks catching up support from this area, but let it break the demand zone first. Then go down. Again, everything is choppy, guys, today. Everything. You see GU. Here, GU is here for you guys. GU and gold. Okay. German 30 and US 30. US 30 looks choppy to me. Good morning, Baha. Good morning, Kamski. Good morning. Now is the time, Lenovo ThinkPad T460, to change your name maybe to your real name or your Discord username. It's funny to call you Lenovo ThinkPad. Okay. We need to do something about the reminder, guys. Gold is catching support from the demand zone. Okay, and G was just not able to break our demand zone and go down further. But we've put alerts for both of them. So let's see. Okay, US 30 is trying. If we break this wick, we could push up further, but I really don't know. Like, if anyone entered over here, this was an impulse for a feeler, and then again, are you guys seeing this push and pull that's happening within the candle itself? I don't like it. This is erratic. London is not supposed to be that erratic, and if that's happening, that means that there's a lot of manipulation in these markets and very less liquidity. Okay, we got buyers from our demand zone. Let's see. GBP news an hour ago. That's why all this is happening. Maybe we'll get the move for GBP USD now.
How many people joined in?
25. Guys, we need to have more people for London as well. Please go ahead and spread the word in your community, or if you guys are part of different Discord servers or just your socials. We need to have more people coming in for London and for New York as well, but generally for New York there are more people. I understand the timing is a little bit off for London, but yeah, more people should come and join London. So if you guys are a part of different communities on Discord and other places, please go ahead and spread the word and get more people to join our sessions. Okay, we're just trying to grow our community. DAX is also choppy. We need to break the supply zone and demand zone, and then maybe we can get good trades. But what's happening on DAX? Can anyone tell me one-on-ones what's happening on DAX? What are we trying to make? Hi Emily, I'm good. How are you doing? I'm louder today. I feel like I'm not loud at all. Okay, yes, double bottom in the smaller picture. Maybe we're trying to make double bottom. Neha, Prasanna against. Yes, but what else do you all see? What else? Not really. Not inverse head and shoulders, JJ. What else? What else have you all learned on your one-on-one? Okay, no. What else? Yes, 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 yes. Lucky. Absolutely right. Lucky is absolutely right. We're getting into an apex. Okay, that's what we're forming. Lucky is right. Okay, US 30 is, even though it's going up, but then the movement is really not, it's not good enough for London, I feel. Okay, this is an apex that we're trying to make on DAX. Look at that, GU trying. Impulse at this point. We have about 4 minutes to market open. Let's wait and see the kind of momentum that we're going to get. Okay. Trying on GU. Gold is just being weird at this point. Started catching bias from our demand zone. That is why this demand zone is here. Okay. We go to the left. You see this break of structure? This is the reason why we have a demand zone over here.
Chico.
Is anyone in on anything? A feeler or anything? US 30. Look at this. It's moving, but I don't like it, guys. I don't like US 30. Not at this point. I really don't. It's slow, guys. Everything is extremely slow. You don't trust US 30? Why? I think US 30 is a very good instrument to trade. I personally like Nasdaq more because I like to give my trades a little more room to breathe, and I enjoy this fast pace of markets, but it has to be a little bit controlled for me. US 30 is too erratic, so that's why I don't trade it much. But US 30 is really good, guys, to make your pips. Right now you don't trust it. Okay. In on GU, PMR. Okay. I hope you're in on a feeler at this point and nothing more than that, because we haven't. Okay. Catching buyers. Gold could fall down also, guys. This could be an HNS. They could be making the right shoulder. They're never perfect. So it could be that as well. Okay, let's pull out Forex Scalper Pro and see what they're doing. Okay, US 30, 5 minutes at 67. If we try to break 70, if we break 70, we could push up. Gold is in and around 50s. That is why it's being this way. GBP USD 15 minute is around 67. So maybe for market open, we will try to go up, try to break 70, and if we can't do that, we'll just push down further. If not, then we're moving up. Okay. And wait. Okay. German 30 is also in and around 50. That's why it's choppy. Let's see, guys. I didn't get any trade yet, waiting for a clear move. Yeah, I'm glad you did not enter in on anything. Okay, Baha. Let's wait. Look at US 30 getting rejected from this wick, this area. We have about 20 seconds for market open. Okay, let's see the kind of momentum we get. If we don't get too much, if we don't get proper momentum and everything, guys, then let's not trade, and let's stay away from the markets till we see those red folders opening up for New York. Okay, market open, guys. is opening up. Low impact folders. Nothing is happening. Literally nothing is happening. Wow. They're trying to go down, but then again, a lot of demand sitting over here in this area. Wow. Okay. Maybe on German we're trying to fall down. US 30, the RSI was around 66. You'll understand why these indicators they're not reliable, because a retail trader, not us, other retail trader would think that it's around 66 and maybe it's going to push up and give me those buys. Again, they're trying, and it might have hit their stop loss by now. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait for this candle to close. We don't have to rush into anything. Okay? We don't. Sorry, guys. Zoe is sparking. Okay. This is just an impulse on GU. Okay. Careful, okay? If you're trading GU, be careful. They break this wick and close within a box. Catching vibes, guys. Okay, both US 30 and DAX trying to fall down. Okay. Look at that. If we don't break this area with good momentum, chances are we're just going to catch buyers from here and push up further. Everything is choppy, guys. Everything. Got a DAX W. There was no clear indication to enter into anything to gains, but if you did make some pips, congratulations to you, but be careful if you did not respect the demand and supply zone. Okay, be careful. And GU is just like I told you all, if you don't break this, we're going up, and that's exactly what they're trying to do at this point. Wow, indecision at this point. Gold maybe trying to break our demand zone, and like I told you all, maybe they made the right shoulder and they want to fall down further. EU look like it is dumping. I think maybe instead of gold and other stuff, I should actually start charting EU again. I just realized that only 1 or 2 people were trading EU and a lot of people were not looking at it. But now that people are missing EU, I will start charting EU for you guys for London, okay? I'll do that. Look at this dirty, like US 30, don't trade, guys. I'm telling you all, don't trade it right now. Please don't. No worries, trader, you don't have to thank me, it's fine. I just thought maybe people were missing gold, so I'll start charting gold for you guys. You saw that gap. I thought maybe I'll start charting gold for you guys, but then yeah, gold didn't do anything today. guys doing this out of your own time. Highly appreciate it. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, JJ. Thank you. I love all your charts. It doesn't matter to me. That should be the spirit. Whatever that is there in front of you, you try to make the best out of that. Um, yeah, if you're doing that, nothing can stop you from making money in these markets. Look at that. Maybe we're trying to go up to make a double top. Maybe we're trying to do that, a bigger double top. We went down, caught some orders, and trying to push up further now. Okay, that's exactly what we're trying to do. Okay. Could have taken these EU buys, but then again, these are aggressive buys. You want to take them? Absolutely, go for it. But safer buys will be above our daily resistance. I'm talking about G. Okay. Guys, indices are just like extremely choppy today. It's really, really choppy. Maybe we should skip trading Fridays altogether. Why also it's more choppy today? Because red folders are opening up today. Big red folders. So before that they would try to manipulate these markets and try to do all of that. So yeah. Come on. I mean, DAX hasn't moved. DAX hasn't given anything. I promise you DAX will give you all the moves. But they're just like being pricey right now. DAX is being pricey right now. Okay. There was a time when I started trading, right? So firstly I didn't trade real money for a very long time. For years I was on demo, and then after that when I finally decided, okay, US 30 finally made the move. I'm not in on US 30, guys. I'm not even looking at it because yes, it is giving moves, but it is like it's erratic today. GU trying to go to the supply zone, and if people are trading this, yeah, GU is doing good, but just slow. Could get rejected from the supply zone. Like I told you all before market open, after seeing the Forex Scalper Pro, that with GU it could just go up, push up, go and touch our supply zone, and then fall down further. I'm in on GU buys. That's good. It's good. Try to realize your profits, okay? Try to put a hard stop, because we know these are Fridays. Anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. We should just like stop trading altogether. So yeah, I was telling you guys, I never used to trade for a couple of months. I didn't trade Mondays and Fridays. Like even though Mondays sometimes are good, I just completely altogether stopped trading Mondays, because I didn't want to lose the money that I made of the week. So I just stopped trading Fridays and Mondays altogether. I would sit on the markets, I would analyze them, I would see why they're not moving, what is the reason behind it, how much manipulation is there in the markets, and what are we supposed to do about that, and blah blah and all that good stuff. But I would not take trades. I wouldn't. Seems like GUs are getting rejected, but then DAX and US 30, they seem good. Okay. This was a good breakout structure, but it was just too choppy for me to trade, guys. If anyone took this, congratulations. But I didn't want to go through these emotions that I see just right there in this green box. Not worth it. The moves are not clean at all. Like, not at all. I'm on a bad 4 Friday streak of taking L. This Friday it's gonna change. Yeah, I'm happy with not taking any trades. Congratulations, I mean, again, I talk about 3 things for a trader: consistency, discipline, and patience. If you have these 3 things, nothing can stop you from succeeding in these markets. And you're doing it well, Zero. If you haven't taken a single trade today, congratulations. Ooh, US30 was the move. But then again, chop, pay, chop, 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 chop for me. This is a good break of structure, right, guys? What did we make over here? So many pattern within the patterns, pattern within the patterns, pattern within the patterns. Babe, what have you done here? It's saying currently signed out. You've been signed out because you're currently signed in on another device. Guys, can you all hear me? Yes, you can hear? Perfect. So, okay, pattern within patterns, pattern within patterns. How many patterns do you all see here for US30? GU also being choppy. Everything is choppy, guys. Every single thing is choppy. We see US30 and we think that, oh wow, it's making a move and all that good stuff, but for me it's just yeah, it wasn't a good move for me. Progress Zero, I love it, especially if you make the pips on other days. Don't need to give back to the markets on Fridays. I've learned that. Yes, absolutely, JJ. We don't need to do that. This is the kind of discipline that you all need in your trading journey. As a trader, if you can control your emotions and know when to stop in these markets, you've got everything. And if not, then you're just gambling these markets. I just don't know what GU is trying to do, honestly. Yeah, it's trying to go and touch the 50. That's what they're trying to do. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Nothing. I'm surprised DAX didn't do anything today. Impulse getting into our buy zone. Gotta leave early. Decided not to trade right now. Too choppy. That's a good thing you did, Lucky. Thank you for the session. Great learning. No worries, Lucky. Take care. We'll see you for New York. Bye bye. Can you mute your mic and put it on the chat if you have a question, because that'd be better. Yeah? Thank you. Yes. Look at this rejection, guys. Strong, strong supply sitting over here. This has become demand. Let's change it to demand. This is our demand now. Okay. Guys, whatever questions you have, please put it on the chat, okay? Because if everyone starts to talk on the session, then it becomes a little harder, right? What? Yeah. Okay. I don't like these long wicks candles. I don't like them either, Emily. They're the worst. These long wicks, If you see in any kind of market, in any kind of instrument, if you see that the wicks are longer than the candles, okay, retest rejection on the on DAX, and GU is just not doing anything. GU is not giving good moves right now, but it could. I don't know. I've noticed that using 1 minute chart along with 5 minute chart with the levels work. It's if you're taking your trades on 1 minute, then it's good that you're taking confluences from price. Always you try to take confluences from the higher time frames for the lower time frames. If you're doing the other way around, it is not going to work out for long. That's what I've experienced. Okay, you cannot take confluences for 5 minutes from 1 minute. Don't do that, because higher time frame holds more value if they're trying to break a structure, or if they're trying to do anything. That is going to be given more importance and value than the smaller time frames. So if you're trading 1 minuters and taking confluences from 5, that's good. But trading 5 and taking confluences from 1 is not going to do anything, because if 5 minute tries to break a structure and 1 minute is going for maybe for buys, and 5 minute is trying to break a structure for the shorts, then the markets are going to follow what the 5 minute is going to do rather than what 1 minute is doing. Okay, Keon? Is there any difference between summer session timings and winter session timings? Yeah, because of daylight savings, the market open for us people in India over here, it changes a little bit. That's all. That's all. It's only like for like an hour here and there. That's all. Okay. The market is weird. Thanks guys for your charting. See you in the next session. Bye Lenovo ThinkPad. It's fine, no worries. Thank you for the great session again. No worries. Bye bye. Take care. I try to catch the impulses using the 1 minute chart. That's good if you're doing that, and if it's helping you out and you're able to do that, that's amazing, Kion. But personally, I would suggest that try to take confluences from higher time frames for trading the lower time frames. Okay, personally, many fake candles in 1 minute chart, so I never check it anymore. 1 minute is too quick. 1 minute is too quick. Anything that you're doing is an impulse only. So basically, whatever trade that you're taking on 1 minuters, you're practically taking impulses on that. The too quick. Okay, rejection. If they break half of this candle, they're going down. They break half of this candle, they're going down. Everything is choppy, guys. I personally would recommend you all don't trade this. I haven't taken a single trade. I did take a small feeler for GU for the buys from the demand zone, and feel like I'm gonna close it. I haven't closed it, but still I think I'm gonna close it because nothing is moving, guys. Nothing is moving. I'm gonna wait for good momentum. I'm gonna wait for New York and for the red folders to open up to take my trades and make my pips, but I'm not gonna trade this chop. I'm gonna stay away from it. I have on demo, but just to get used to markets starting to love the session more and more. Thanks, Cash. Oh, that's so sweet of you, JJ. Even I like London. I personally like New York more because of the volume, but for beginners and if you want to trade safe, London is the best session for you. If you want to trade safe and want to preserve your capital, London is the session for that. New York just gives you pips too quick. That's the thing about New York, but London, you require a lot of patience. But yeah, patience is the key for any trader. You used to not like London. I always used to like London. First, I never used to trade New York. I didn't trade New York for a very, very long time. I used to get scared of New York momentum. I only used to trade London. That's why I know London that well. But that's it, guys. I'm not gonna sit on this session any further. Everything looks extremely choppy, and this just doesn't make sense for me to be trading this chop. You all shouldn't be trading it either. Please don't trade this chop. Please don't do that. It's stupid. Let's wait for New York, and Yes, I see a double top or inverse head and shoulders on gold. So like Cram says, we're ready for buys or sells, whatever, whenever happens. Yes, absolutely. But this pattern could change it. Guys, also, be it patterns, be it RSI, be it EMA, all of these are confluences and they keep on changing all the time. So you cannot just depend on chart patterns, Emily, to take your trades. You need to be able to, come to a point where you only and only respect, like you give 90% importance to price action, which are these lines, and trade zone to zone, rather than taking confluences, um, rather than, sorry, my bad, rather than giving more importance to the confluences that we're seeing on the chart. Okay, I hope that makes sense, because these patterns, RSI, EMAs, everything is ever changing and everything is lagging and they're changing into one another. Okay, so we can't do that. Um, Cram will explain it to you on one-on-ones more, Ebony. Okay, what I'm talking about right now. I know that you've started to learn patterns now, so you are spotting them, which is amazing. Kudos to you that you're spotting them already and trying to trade them. Congratulations. But you cannot solely depend on these patterns to trade, because price action is king. Okay, price action is everything in these markets. Even though these markets are choppy, you all need to see that gold was trading within this zone. What is this zone? We found this zone because of price action. Patterns, no patterns, RSI, EMAs, nothing matters too much, guys. Those are just confluences. We need to trade zone to zone. That's how we need to um, train our eyes. Okay, look at this. I am not trading this chop. I am out, guys. Thank you so much for being here and trading this session with me. I know we didn't get enough moves, but it's okay, guys. We learned a lot today. Okay, we learned not to trade too much today, and I think that's the biggest lesson for any trader. Because if you learn to stay away from these markets, you will learn to preserve your capital, and that's the #1 goal for all of us traders here at Forex. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here. I wish you a great day as well, Emily. Thank you so much, Cash. You guys provide so much value every day. That's so sweet of you. Zero, thank you so much. Just because of the pace, being used to the fast pace, I think I was trying to trade London with a New York mentality. See you at New York. Okay, no worries, JJ. We'll see you all. Thank you so much for being here. Bye, Baha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all for New York. New York is an hour earlier today because we're catching red folders. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, bye, Keon.